Hello everybody, it's Batman Gamer here, and I'm here with Simmy 102.
Hello.
And today we're gonna play a Minecraft Atom parkour map. And sorry if I've not been posting because of some stuff in real life, and I had to take care of. So this parkour map here. So in the chest was this book and some meat. So if you would like to take some meat, or meat more. Hold on. There you go. Take half and half. Okay, so I'm creative. Well, I'm changing this thing. Here, you read. So read to us while I change the settings.
Okay. Story. You are trapped in the studio. You finally had his final straw and wanted to escape.
Okay, so we wanted to escape?
Yes.
Okay, is that all it says? Alright, let's just start. Okay. Okay, chapter 1, Bendy jumps. You wanna try? I wanted to try to, you know how you can run across? Like just like get a really big start and then run. I'll try one more time. If it doesn't work, then I'll just... Nope, it won't work. Okay. Well, you could, but it won't let me.
Wait, this one doesn't have a chair.
No? What? It's supposed to have a chair.
Well, it doesn't have
Is this there now? No? Huh.
one.
Should I add a stair? Because there's supposed to be a stair. That'll do. Okay, let's... Hopefully there's no other stops. Okay. So, I think... no, made it. Almost made it, though. Come from this corner, and then just go on a diagonal, watch. Go. There you go. And just go really fast. There you go. Okay, this one. Careful you don't bang your head. And be careful you don't fall back. Yeah. Oh, I jumped off already. Alright. I don't know. Well... Ooh, okay.
I don't read the...
Two. Okay. You coming?
Long inky jump.
Yes? Okay. I believe in you, Sim. Okay.
That was weird.
Come on, Sim. You can do it. Okay, I made it. Are you okay? Where'd you go? Okay, let's go.
Chapter 5.
5. Going? Okay. How do we... Is there any... Nope, there's none. Oh, from here to here? Okay.
I hit my head.
Yeah, see, this is where we're gonna need... There you go, see? There. Chapter 6. Fear the Machine. Okay, I hate ladder jumps, but I think I could do it. Alright. Dang it, no! Wait, how do I get back up?
What?
Sim?
That is impossible.
Sim?
What?
I can't get back up. I can't get back up. We're gonna have to build like stairs to go back up there. Oh yeah. Thanks. Okay, you could go first. Or next. And now wait.
Oh, you can keep going outside. Yeah, keep going. I didn't see that. Okay. Okay, that's my turn.
No! I have to teleport to you now. I can't get back up here at all. Please. Okay. Thanks. Boom. Where we at? Okay. Oh, okay. Okay. Chapter 7, How Ink Flows. Okay. Ah. You have to like run across.
That's what I tried to do,
But no, this one you have to like. Nope. Darn it.
Oh, so close! Oh, darn
Oh,
it.
that was not good. Okay.
No.
No. Okay. It's
A
not
little
working.
difficulties.
Yeah. Okay.
I saw what I was gonna do.
Let's-
You do right there.
Ooh, okay.
No!
How am I gonna... Okay. Oh, I did it. Okay.
I was gonna cry.
I'm here. 1, 2. What? Doo-doo.
You get some. No. Ow. Darn it. It's 2, 4. 1, 2. No! Why? Okay, do that. Okay, no, what? If you give
You can just teleport.
No.
It's fine with me.
Not yet. Yeah, I'm teleporting. No. At that.
Ooh, okay. Okay, up here. And nope. Or maybe I can jump from here. Nope. Jump from here.
Yes!
You could actually jump from here to here?
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
No.
Keep pulling. I can't jump up there.
Chapter 8, jump.
Hold on, Sim. You gotta wait.
Okay, yeah, I'm gonna wait for the person who recorded.
Darn it, I can't. How do you...
You could teleport.
No, hold on. But, like, how'd you get...
Sharp turn.
You jump from the wood to the other wood? Or the ink from the thing?
You have to do from the ink, black ink to the wood.
the one kind of in front of you. This to that? Yes, but it's too low. Then try with the ink that's in front of you. The black ink. I can't. I think the wall is making me. No, I'm set. I can do this. Come on, so close. No, come on. Yeah, I cannot. Come on. Oh my gosh, okay, it's not working. Oh, I'm
Hungry, no wonder.
Oh,
I gotta get a munch.
snap.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I jump on it and then I roll off. Mugwai. Okay. Okay, come on. Literally, I've been. Oh, okay, got it. No, no, no. Oh, I thought I messed up on the last minute.
You should set your phone.
Whoops. You could.
I already did.
Alright, I'm so close. Whoa, the heck. Oh, okay, I'm here. I just. How do we get back on? Dude,
Whoops, you didn't jump to the end.
I can't.
Folks.
How. Can I. No, I can't. Just teleport me. Thanks. Okay, what is it? This?
Oh, sorry.
End of game. Okay.
Yay!
Okay. Oh, look, it's outside world.
Ooh, look at this here.
Thanks for playing. Is this think machine? Okay. Alright guys, so if you like this map, just please ask for more and I will do more parkour maps or just maps in general, and just like link some maps in the description. Maybe I can check it out with Sim and we could play them. And yeah, I always like trying new things, and yeah, hopefully I could do a room tour soon, because I fixed my room and it's cool. Yeah, it's different, and more settings and stuff like that, and more things to do. So yeah, if you enjoy this, have a good day and bye.